Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the gas tank out of a John Deere. This is LA 110, but they're all the same. The D series, they switch the gas tanks halfway through the year to a floating type, but this is a fixed one. This is the one with a gauge right here, but it's all the same anyway. You're going to have to remove the deck. I got a video on that. I'll post a link in the comments below. Alright, you're gonna have to remove your battery. So always take the negative off first. You're gonna have to loosen this battery tray off. So there's 4 bolts. One here, 2 on the other side. Takes a T20 Torx. You're gonna have to blow compressed air down here or use a vacuum cleaner. Take your fuse out. Yeah, pop your reverse relay here. And you take this your solenoid off. Yeah, it's only a 5/16 socket. Where the wire goes right here. And we'll jack up the tractor. Now I'm gonna clean this up a little bit here. Put the steering wheel straight. And I mark it here, here, and here. I usually use my impact gun on this. Put the nut back on. Almost all the way in. WD-40 on that. I'm gonna put out a hammer. Usually they come out way easier than this. Steering wheel here. That's a good time if you want to change your gear. This gear seems to be in good shape, so I'm going to use it. We'll track back down. Now these 2 bolts back here, take them off. This rod here for your e-brake, just pop that off, put it forward. Now if you get cruise control, there'd be a rod on this side, but here, this model here doesn't have cruise control. Show your rod, your steering rod is all the way out. There's a spring here you gotta take out. That goes here and right here. You're gonna have to put your brake forward here, so I'm just put a bungee cord here on my front wheel. Should be enough. It brings these forward here, so when you lift your back end up, it won't interfere with them. Now you gotta take this off here. I'm just gonna raise this up here. Let that sit right here. There we go. Put your new gas tank in, lift this up your hose, put this in here, put it down, back in here, put your steering rod back in there, line the bolts back up there, looks pretty good right there, and put one or two in there. You have to put your back ones in here, your spring. Okay, you can release your brake here. Put the rod back in. Snap it in there. Get your spring right in there. There you go. All right, put your battery tray in. Put these bolts in. Put your battery in. Hook up your solenoid and your reverse lockout thing and your fuse. All right, jack up the tractor again, put your wheels straight, put your steering wheel straight. And of course, my mark's gone. I know everything's straight, so yeah, that's pretty good. All right, now I can tighten these up. Put this back in. After you tighten this up, and let's say you got a gap here, you can loosen off these screws again and twist it a little bit and tighten her up again. It'll line up your gaps better. All right, that's it. If you like this video, press thumbs up below. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.